Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing where you spend your Wi-Fi data in Telegram. If you're curious about your Wi-Fi data usage and want to gain insights into it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will bring up the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Data and Storage. Tap on it to access the data usage settings. Step 4. Within the Data and Storage settings, tap on Data Usage. This will provide an overview of your data usage. Step 5. Tap on Wi-Fi from the upper drawer to specifically view your Wi-Fi data usage. Step 6. As you tap on an option, a pie chart with an analysis will appear. It will help you understand how your Wi-Fi data is being utilized in Telegram. By tapping on any option in the pie chart, you can further divide the data usage into data sent and data received. This breakdown will provide you with a detailed understanding of how your Wi-Fi data is allocated within Telegram. Following these simple steps will allow you to view where you spend your Wi-Fi data in Telegram and gain valuable insights into your data usage patterns. Thank you for watching, and enjoy analyzing your Wi-Fi data usage in Telegram.